Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, both devices on the same Wi-Fi and the mirroring app installed. Next, open the app on your phone and the receiver app on the target device. You tap Allow for local network, microphone, and storage so streaming works. Once permissions are granted, use the app's Browse or Discover button to detect nearby receivers. Make sure to disable VPNs or mobile data to avoid conflicts. This step prevents common connectivity failures and speeds discovery. After discovery, choose the receiver listed in the app. You may need to confirm a PIN shown on the TV or receiver. Once connected, pick the right mode. Mirror duplicates your screen, Extend creates a second display, and Cast plays media only. Adjust resolution and orientation to match the display for best quality, and toggle audio forwarding if you want sound routed to the big screen. If touch control is supported, enable it for remote interactions. Doing this improves usability and responsiveness. To finish, confirm content plays smoothly and adjust app bitrate or resolution if you see lag. When done, use the app stop or disconnect button so the receiver frees resources. If things go wrong, first restart the app and the receiver. Simple reboots solve most hiccups. Make sure the router isn't overloaded and that both devices run the latest app version. If problems persist, clear the app cache, reauthorize permissions, or switch to the other Wi-Fi band. These steps resolve common connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.